Thought I'm amazed with this robot self-cleaning the whole shopping mall, but actually I'm more amazed with this Avatar 11 by Xiaomi. This car is amazing, guys. The black color metallics is crazily beautiful. Yeah, you can see the metallics shine. Superb, man. The front of the car looks amazing. Yeah. And the tire, let me show you. This tire is 21 inch. Gonna cost you a bomb, man. If 20 inch cost me 1,600 ringgit for every 10 months, and I think this gonna cost me maybe 2,500 every 10 months per tire. There's 10,000 every 10 months for tire replacement. And the back of the car looks like this. Amazingly beautiful. Spoiler retractable, so you can see the mechanism here. Right? It's amazing. Yeah, really amazing. And it has got a double camera at the back. See that? Yeah, there are two cameras there. Okay. Since got human being there, you can see roughly the size of this car. It is so beautiful. Right? So when the spoiler is closed, it retracts in like this. Yeah. I'm gonna buy one, man, when this thing reach Malaysia. The boot, amazingly deep. Yeah. Let's go. And you can open up to the back seat. There is a 12-volt charger here. There is a speaker here. Charging cable here. And this is by Xiaomi, if I'm not mistaken, right? What is this? Don't know. EV charger. Tire repair kit. Yeah. What is here? Hey, cannot open. Cannot open. Wow. Right hand side driving. Charging port. Let's take a look at the back. Meridian speaker. Right. This is for Windows. Yeah, look at this, Look at this. Super good.
อู้อะไรที่เป็นอินเทอร์เน็ต
ได้เหมือนกันครับใช่ไร้สายนะครับเชื่อมได้เลยเป็น Android Auto Apple CarPlay ครับผมไปที่อันแรกอันล่างสุดเลยนะคือที่
Seat
มันครับ
seat ventilation. Door unlock.
เนี่ยเชื่อมได้เลยนะครับโทรศัพท์ Apple CarPlay
Full aircon vent.
นะครับเช็คได้หมด
So to unlock is
วันนี้ทุกอย่างอยู่ใน
press
บ้าน
this
นี้
for
เลย
seat ventilation.
แม้กระทั่งกล้องอันนี้ก็มีให้เวลาที่เข้าเกียร์ถอยหลังก็จะขึ้นที่จอใหญ่ที่ลงตกไปเลี้ยวก็จะขึ้นที่จอใหญ่ไปเลี้ยวฝั่งมีการเป็นรถรับประกันที่ก็จะมี
Amazingly good.
ข้างหน้าจะเป็นต้อง
Let me show you the control. Okay. Let's go in and take a look at the front. Ooh, this one. Look at the seat, man. It has got support for you. Yeah, I think it can be retracted from there. Oh, grab, man. Oh, okay, you got to see this. Yeah. How to okay, let's go in and take a look. There you go. Ooh, the moment you unlock door, windows will come down. Okay, the door auto push out, but when you close, this thing go up and the seat move to the front. Okay, how to adjust the steering? Go inside vehicle. Go inside vehicle, go to quick control, steering. Okay, steering wheel control. Push down, up. Okay, extend out. Retract in. Yeah, and the seat has got massage and it's massaging me. Wow, where is the seat massage? My goodness. System. Nope. Voice, sound, display, connect. Driving assist, safety. Where the hell is the seat massage? Gearbox, eco, comfort, sport. Light, vehicle control, passenger. Window setting, ventilation, fresh air, open or close or. The seat is massaging me. How to disable the seat massage? I couldn't find it, baby. System tips, check. New versions available, so I cannot do anything here. Voice, sound, display, connect, safety, driving assist. Here, apps, seat. There you go. Massaging, see? Massaging, massage, ventilations, and all off. So currently ventilation is on and seat massage is on. Here have got look at these scratching. So you have got charging port with ventilation, glove box, how to open glove box, cluster, ambient, blah blah blah. Where to do the glove box thingy? Don't know. Quick setting, vehicle control, how to open glove box, media setting, phone energy, personal center, scenario, video, dash cam, seat jukes, battle match, auto kit. Let's try personal. Oh no. Yeah, this one is to unlock the front. Let's scat them a bit. Okay, let's try. Open. Yeah, it is open. I'm sure they got a shock. Wiper mode. Bluetooth notification. Oh, this one is one side. This one. Oh, there is a control button here. There's a quick control button there. Alright. Yeah, quick control button there. Home, map, car center. I don't know how to unlock the gearbox. Hey, not gearbox, glove box. This car is amazing and the seat is amazing. Okay, with moonroof, front and back, and everything is touch sensor. Even the lights is touch sensor, I think so, at the back there. Oh, wow. Okay, let's unlock and go out. Okay, unlock. Hey, I thought I already done the vehicle unlock just now. Should we open, right? Yep. Let's go, take a look. Okay, let's close this. Yeah, see the way it close? Let's take a look at the front. My God, it's so light. This car is really amazing. But I'm very scared of this tire though, 21 inch. And I wonder how expensive it's gonna be to replace this one. Yeah, this one is Premium Contact 6 by Continental. This is a crazy Xiaomi car, yeah. Yeah, wow. The two-tone is so beautiful. Yeah. Okay, when this thing gonna reach Malaysia, I think it's going to be an amazing investment. We should buy this car when it reach Malaysia, alright? And they have more camera. Yeah. The lights is here. I still don't know how to open the glove box though. How to open the glove box? Let's find it. Oh, there, glove box. Wait. Twing. Yeah. I wonder if the closing is no. Okay, one more time. Haha, using this button. So under quick control, and here's for door lock unlock. Ooh. Okay, now let me show you something. Unlock this, okay? Unlock, press, the door will open. Now, if I were to press this button, the door will lock, okay? Press, see? Holy crap, guys. Let's unlock. Cannot. See that? If I press this, will it lock? Oh yeah, it will. You need to buy one, okay? Go back to Malaysia and buy one. It's amazing. What else you want? Eco, comfort, sport, customize. Press the customize button, then you customize. Okay. Oh wow. Eco mode, comfort mode, sport mode, customize. Yeah. I'm speechless. Position 1, position 2, position 3, Bluetooth. My god, this car is just amazing. Okay guys, I'm gonna sign out from here now. By the way, before that, see the back mirror is actually a screen. Yeah, so you use a camera there. They have SOS, they have emergency button up there. The light must be censored. Yeah, touch sensor. And this one is a double. What else you want, baby? Double. Okay, see this? Yeah. Double. Can you imagine? Oh my god. Great car. Okay. Let's go. Wait, cannot. Press and it will close. That's about it. Thank you and check out.